Hi, my name is Robert Irvine, and here we'll be talking about cameras in relevance to Kevin Kennedy's chapter at the beginning.
Hi, I'm Gosha. I have this beauty. It's a dual-lens TLR camera. It's every photographer's dream. To zoom, you have to pull it all the way out, so all the case expands, and that's how you use it. Back to the side, to the right.
So I have an Olympus OM10 camera. It was launched in 1979, and it is manual. So you just do stuff manually, like that. To my right is Stacey talking about the Minolta camera.
I have the Minolta Dynax 7000i, and it's a bit of a jump up because it auto winds itself, and it has a screen here as well, and has the start of electric optics as well. And Josh is to my right talking about a Samsung.
Hi, I'm Joshua Farrell, and I'm here with a Samsung NX11. It's not actually, while it looks like a DSLR by design, it's actually not, and it's a mixture between digital and analog. So we have very similar designs from the previous camera with Stacey, but everything is saved on an SD card. And now, next to you, I'll be on to Kevin.
Hi, my name is Kevin. So in front of me here I have the iPhone 6. Some of the best sort of features with iPhone 6 is its recording. So it has 1080p HD video recording, which will record either 30 or 60 FPS. And it can also record in slow motion of frames between 120 seconds and 25